Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.
Reporting live in this construction expo, talking jobs in construction behind the scenes with my main man demoing for Prime Stars, One Nation Youth Development Career Corner with my main man. Sir, what is your name and what is it that you do for a living?
My name is Tabo Shohola and I'm accounts manager at Easy Access.
Wait, you are working in construction and you're what?
An accounts manager in Easy Access, which is a company that deals with cherry pickers, your access platform machines. Yeah, so I basically look after our clients' accounts on head office level, and I'm also looking at construction sites whereby we supply subcontractors with cherry pickers, or you can call them boom lifts.
So, Minasai, I'm asking you because I only understand the construction which you are people who are building buildings, they were laying bricks. How did you get to know about the job that you are doing right now? First of all, are you qualified in anything for you to do what you do?
I'm not really qualified. So when I joined the company, I started as a trainer or a facilitator, whereby I used to train people on how to operate these machines we call cherry pickers.
Also, you used to drive the machines
I used to drive and operate those machines. And then I advanced in teaching people on how to operate them. And then I became an area sales consultant, whereby I go to construction sites looking for projects and customers who are going to be using these machines, like your steel guys, electrical guys, fire guys. They normally use these machines we call cherry pickers.
Number one, sir. Yeah. So, I'm very much interested on your education because you said you're not qualified. You have a matric, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, matric is a basic in South Africa for you to operate. Then how did you get to be where you are? Because some people will say, but if I'm not qualified in something, I cannot do it. But here we are account manager for one of the biggest companies in South Africa who are selling cherry pickers. What can you say to a 16-year-old who's like, okay, I cannot afford to go to varsity. I cannot afford to go to school, but I want to work. There's no money at home. Yeah. Just tell them your life story. How did you get to be where you are?
Look, you don't have to limit yourself, man. I started as a general worker. I worked at a mine in Exaro. That was after the matric, and then I became a merchandiser. And from the merchandiser, I became a sales rep at Heineken. Then I joined Easy Access. So in advanced stages, I've been in this sales field from tender age after matric. So
number one,
basically, some of the things you don't have to limit yourself because of you don't have qualifications or what. You join a company. If you're eager to learn, you're eager to grow, that's where you start.
Number one, sir. Yeah. And speaking about that, advancing yourselves, do you know there's a program called the Alt Ed? Do you know about the Alt Ed?
No.
Okay, cool. Let me tell you about the Alt Ed. Alt Ed is for people like you who want to say, okay, I have a position in the company right now, but I want to elevate. They need a couple of papers. They offer 8-week courses to advance themselves in whatever they want to study. Just to be like, okay, now I'm certified, I'm credible. I can move from company A to company B without having any problem. So there's institutions like your Alt Ed for people who want to join Ganjalo, who may not have luck like yours, who just want to do like a quick 8-week course just to say, I know this thing, man. Let me put it down on paper, okay?
Okay.
Number one, sir. So anyway, thank you so much for what you are saying to us, giving us that information and letting kids give up. In whatever they do, they shouldn't give up. They must go for their dreams. As long as you are active in the work field, the work will find you, okay?
Most definitely. And university is not only the stepping stone, man.
Number one.
Technicons, you can do that. Carpentry, boiler making, plumbing, all those type of stuff you can do and make a good man out of them.
Number one, sir. Thank you so much. Now, shouting at the Alt Ed and shouting at the Career Corner and Prime Stars we're trying to get Prime Stars to be part of us and the Alt Ed. Do you mind just saying, it's a fun one, this one. Do you mind just saying, first of all, mwah, Prime Stars?
Mwah, Prime Stars.
Mwah, Alt Ed.
Mwah, Alt Ed.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Mwah, Career Corner.
Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message is brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development, moving South Africa forward.